Hey everyone, welcome to Hanging with Uncle. I'm Gene, and let's get started because I have a question. What is free healthcare? Who gets free healthcare? Where is free healthcare? Because there's no such thing as free healthcare. All right? But who is starting that argument? Again, that is another tool used by the top, the billionaires, the health insurance industry, on how to divide this country on free health care. First of all, if you work and look at your check, they take Medicare and Social Security out. You're paying for it. You're paying for it right now if you're working, but because the way our government is set up to work, how they, placate to private insurance companies because they get a lot of kickbacks from the insurance company on that. Excuse me, I have an itch in my nose. Ah. Oh, excuse me. So sorry. All right, excuse me. They get paid by insurance companies for that. A lot of money to make sure that we have private insurance instead of Medicare for all, or what they want to call free health care. So again, you're already paying for it. You're just not getting it. You have to wait till you're 65. Does that seem right to you? So again, if you're buying the free healthcare argument and you don't think free healthcare should be a thing, it's not. Don't let them divide us over free healthcare. Don't worry about what somebody else may be getting. Worry about what's best for everybody. So here's another, outlet, overlook, and see. I was having a conversation with somebody, and they were telling me they vote based on themselves. And I said I vote based on what benefits society. Because I live in society. And if something benefits society, it benefits me as well. And I don't mind seeing other people benefit and thrive. That's what level-headed, rational, healthy-minded people would love to see. But that's, again, let's not fall into that divisive tool because it's not free health care. Even if you are an undocumented worker and you work under the table, when you go to the grocery store, you still have to eat. You pay taxes. Those taxes go for health care. Not all of them, but a portion of them do. So everybody pays for it. It is not a free thing. Stop lying about free health care. Don't let them divide us. Okay, because if we continue to let them divide us and say, yeah, I want to vote for the party that's going to make sure nobody gets free health care, you're voting to keep billions and billions of dollars going into the pockets of insurance companies every year. And did you know of every dollar that's earned in the United States, insurance companies get over 50% of that? Because insurance is a huge industry. Health insurance, auto insurance, life insurance, any kind of insurance you can imagine. So again, it's just a tool. There's no such thing as free health care. And why do they want to make sure that we keep fighting ourselves over that? Is because the United States would save trillions of dollars a year on healthcare expenses if we had Medicare for all. There are other universal healthcare solutions out there. I'm not advocating for that one, but that seems to be the most popular, and it also seems to be very positive, especially to you and I, the United States taxpayer, because it saves money to us. So Again, let's vote on our best interest. If you're paying for it anyway, why shouldn't you be getting it? That's my opinion. And think of it like this then. Okay, now if X amount of dollars goes to pay for my healthcare premium, you're already spending that money. So what if those premiums now get transferred as taxes? You're still paying the same amount. It may be in the form of taxes, but it does not change your bottom dollar. And you never have to look in the mailbox for a bill again. And think of how much money would be saved if there were no more medical bills, bankruptcies out there filed. Medicare for All would eliminate that as well. Again, these are just my thoughts and my opinions, but the one thing I want to remember, and the one thing I really want to drive home, because I've said it a bunch already, healthcare is not free. There's no such thing as free healthcare. That is what Republicans are lying about now, accusing Democrats of wanting to give everybody free healthcare. It's a lie. There's no such thing as free healthcare. Okay, it's just a boogeyman tool. And again, that's why I really, really can't wait for the midterms to roll around so I can vote for the candidate who's probably will not be a Republican that will support Medicare for all for those various reasons. I'd love to know what you think. That's what the comments section below is for. Also, if you like this information, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when new content comes out. I'm Gene. Thank you for hanging with Uncle. And as always, be kind to one another. Treat each other the way you want to be treated.